In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Pictory. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your video has the right soundtrack to set the mood. First, log into Pictory using your usual credentials and let the workspace load. Starting from a clean session helps things run smoothly, so give the page a moment if it's still rendering thumbnails or assets. Next, open your project in the editor. From your dashboard, pick the project you want to enhance and make sure you're viewing it inside the full editor, not just a quick preview. The editor view shows your scenes and media, and this is where all the audio controls are available. Now select the scene you want to edit. Click directly on the scene in your storyboard or timeline so it's clearly highlighted. This tells Pictory where you're focusing your changes and keeps you oriented as you work. On the left sidebar, click on Audio. This opens the audio workspace where Pictory organizes voice, effects, and music. Since we're adding background music, we'll move straight to the dedicated location for soundtracks. Then, go to the Music tab. Here you'll find curated tracks arranged to fit different styles and moods. As you browse, think about the energy and tone you want your viewers to feel. Upbeat tracks can make cuts feel snappier, while gentler instrumentals are great for tutorials and explainers. Instrumental options often leave room for narration without competing for attention. Look for the track you like, then click Apply. After you apply a track, Pictory attaches it to your project so it's part of the playback. Give it a second to process if your project is large. If something doesn't feel right, simply return to the Music tab and choose a different option until the vibe matches your visuals. Aim for a track that supports, rather than overpowers, your message, and keep an ear out for pacing so the rhythm complements scene changes. That's all there is to it. You logged in, opened your project in the editor, selected the scene you wanted to work on, opened the audio panel, went to the Music tab, and applied the track you preferred. With these simple actions, your video immediately gains polish and emotional impact. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting your story with the perfect background